Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So, real talk, affiliate marketing is a content game. You need product reviews and you need comparison posts, you need email sequences, social captions, YouTube descriptions, blog posts. And if you're doing all of that yourself without some kind of system, you're constantly starting from a blank page. Now, I've been using AI to help with a lot of that content. ChatGPT, Claude, you know that drill. But the thing nobody talks about is that the AI is only as good as what you ask it. If you type something lazy in, you get something lazy back. And I found a tool that completely changed how I prompt AI for my affiliate content. It's called Pretty Prompt. I've been using this in my actual workflow, not as a test now, just day to day. And today, I want to talk or walk you through exactly how I use it as an affiliate marketer with real examples. Now, quick heads up, I'm an AppSumo affiliate, so there's a link in the description if you want to grab this at a lifetime deal price. That's my honest disclosure. Now, let's get into it. Let's move on to the screen here. So just a quick recap. If you haven't seen my other video on Pretty Prompt, it's a Chrome extension, sits right inside ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, wherever you're typing, you write a prompt. You hit the Pretty Prompt button and it either improves what you wrote or it asks you a few questions and builds a much better, more detailed prompt from your answers. So there are two modes. The first one is improve, which is quick cleanup of your existing prompt. Refine is the second, more in-depth, ask about tone, audience, goal first, etc. So for affiliate marketing content specifically, I use both depending on what I'm creating. Let me show you the actual use cases. Now, the first use case is probably the most obvious one, writing product reviews. Now, when most people ask AI to write a product review, they type something like this. Let's go to the screen right here. They would type, write a product. Okay, write a product review. Let's say for Pretty Prompt. Okay, now, let's send the prompt. Okay. Pretty Prompt is a thoughtfully designed tool that makes creating high quality prompts much easier. The interface is clean, intuitive, approachable, whether you're new to AI or already use it regularly. One of its biggest strengths is the overall experience feels polished with a workflow that's easy to learn, efficient. It's especially helpful for writers, marketers, students, and professionals who overall Pretty Prompt is a valuable tool that simplifies prompt creation without sacrificing quality. Okay, so, and you get back like this, something. It's structured, it mentions features, it sounds fine, but it doesn't sound like you or me. It doesn't have an angle. It's basically a rephrased product description. Now watch what happens when I run that Pretty Prompt's refined mode. Okay, let's, sorry, just a second. I'll just copy this and paste it there. And this is the refine button. Now it will ask us a few questions. What are the primary goals of this product review? Obviously, the goal here is to increase sales or conversions. And then who is the target audience of this review? The target audience could be business owners. Let's pick creative professionals. And what is the desired tone of the review? So professional, tutorial, friendly conversation, enthusiast, and persuasive. Okay, because I want to persuade people. You can also click the more actions text here to give us more or to provide more information or to answer more questions that could really help and refine the prompt. Okay, what is the specific pretty prompt product category? AI prompt engineering, design, writing. Okay, could be this one as well. What is the length requirement for the review? I want it, let's see. This is too much long. Let's just pick medium. We could either submit the answers or some more here, more questions. Which key features should be highlighted? End of use, value of money, performance speed. Okay, because time is precious. And should the review include a rating of score? I would include 5-star scale and submit. You can again add more questions, answer more questions, but I'll stop until here. Submit answers. Now look at the refined prompt. You are an expert tech copywriter and product reviews specializing in tools for creative professionals, target audience specific. The target audience is right here. The review must be enthusiastic and persuasive, heavily focused on speed. Okay. A review should be the minimum length. All right. So high conversion review for the browser extension pretty prompt. So let's apply this prompt and let's see what it will give us. So like I said, it actually asked me who I'm writing for, what tone I want, what I want the reader to do after reading it. That last one is huge for affiliate content because the whole point is to get a click and conversion. As a matter of fact, the first question, it was like the goal was to click and convert sales, right? In conversion, not just inform people. Now, so here it is, Pretty Prompt Review, a fast, friction-free browser extension that keeps creative work flowing. For creative professionals, momentum is everything. That's true, whether you're writing copy, brainstorming campaigns, refining AI prompts, or switching between multiple browsers-based tools throughout the day. Okay, that's better. Pretty Prompt is designed to make prompt creation refined for... Okay, what immediate impresses me is the extension's performance. Pretty prompt. This is the extension. Look at that. Refine the improve, refine, and you have the library. What for creative professionals, this translates into tangible productivity gains, less time spent rewriting prompts, fixing user is really polished interface after. Is there room for growth? It would be expanding advanced customization feature for power users and adding more special. Okay, overall, Pretty Prompt delivers exactly what modern creative professional needs: speed, simplicity, and a workflow that stays out of the way. It's responsive, performance, thoughtful design, and ability to reduce friction. And most of all, it's browser-based AI tools throughout the day. So overall, 5 stars. So you see how different that is? That version has an angle. It's written for a specific person. It builds toward a CTA instead of just, listing features. That's the difference between content that converts and content that just exists. Now, let's move on to the second use case. Now, email marketing. If you're building a list around your affiliate content, you need follow-up emails, right? And writing email sequences from scratch is genuinely painful. A bit of a headache. Now, let me show you what I do. I'll use improve mode this time because I usually have a rough idea already. I just need it tighten up. Now, let me type same page. Let me type write an email promoting the pretty prompt. Prompt AppSumo deal to my list. Talk about how it helps with AI prompts. Why am I always putting the capital letters? And mention the lifetime deal. Okay, so Now we will click the improve and show the rewritten prompt. Improve. Prompt optimizing for ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT this time. Now you see, you are an expert email copywriter specializing in direct response marketing and SaaS promotion. Your objective is to craft a compelling promotional email for your email list, encouraging them to take advantage of the Pretty AppSumo lifetime deal. The email should highlight the app's benefits for improving AI prompts and emphasize the value of the lifetime offer. Audience. Your existing email subscribers who are likely interested in AI tools and productivity enhancements. Platform email marketing campaign. Key selling points, the Pretty Prompt AppSumo lifetime deal. Its ability to enhance AI prompt creation in the long term. Okay, the length of the email is 250 to 350 words. Tone, enthusiastic, persuasive, and professional. Include a clear call to action, CTA, directing subscribers to the AppSumo deal page. Mention the lifetime deal explicitly. Highlight how Pretty Prompt expose. Look at all these stuff here. So see how it added the context automatically. It assumed the right audience, the warm audience, added urgency around the deal, structured it with a clear subject line, suggestion, and CTA as well, which is very important. That's a way really better brief to work from than what I type. Now let's send, and I'll show you the output. Send it. Wow, wow, wow. This is the subject. Unlock better AI results with the Pretty Prompt AppSumo lifetime deal. If you're using AI to write, brainstorm, code, market, or create, you already know that the quality of your result depends on the quality of your prompts. That is so true. Just like what we're doing right now. The challenge is that crafting great prompts takes time, experimentation, and more trial and error than most of us would like. That's exactly why I wanted to share the Pretty Prompt AppSumo deal with you. Yes, it really saves us credit as well. So if you could just read that, like everything, what makes this opportunity even more exciting is the lifetime deal available through AppSumo rather than paying for another recruit. Okay, whether you're a content creator, marketer, freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply someone who wants to get more from AI, Pretty Prompt can help you work faster, reduce frustration, and generate stronger outputs. This is so amazing. Like it saves you so much time and gives you really strong outputs in just with less effort. This is really worth the investment, guys. I really want you to get this. If you've been looking for a practical AI productivity tool, so don't miss the Pretty Prompt. There you go, the CTA there. You encourage them to purchase or to get the prompt. So that's an email I could send with minimal editing. For an affiliate marketer doing this across multiple products, that kind of speed is a genuine advantage. Isn't that amazing, guys? This is just so awesome. Well, I can show you more in terms of creating social media post or captions. I did already in the past in the other videos, but for YouTube, I haven't shared that with you yet, but I will definitely share that with you in the next video. So guys, here's the thing that I want you to take away from this. As an affiliate marketer, your content is your funnel. You know that. And every review, every email, every caption, it's all moving someone from never heard of this to I'm clicking that link. So AI can speed all of that up massively, but only if you know how to prompt it properly. And that's the gap Pretty Prompt fills. It's not replacing your creativity, definitely not. It's just making sure the AI actually understands what you're trying to do before it writes. The refined mode is particular, asking about audience, tone, and goal, and etc. Those are literally the same questions a good copywriter asks before writing anything. And Pretty Prompt just bakes that thinking into the process automatically. So If you want to grab it, it's on the AppSumo right now as a lifetime deal. One-time payment, you own it forever. No monthly subscription eating into your margins. Isn't that amazing? Really, it's the best investment that you could ever have. There's a 60-day, to those who don't know, money back guarantee through AppSumo, so there's genuinely zero risk in trying it. And if it doesn't save you time within a couple weeks, you get your money back. So why worry? Link is in the description below, guys. Again, that's an affiliate link. Small commission comes to me at no extra cost to you. And it helps support this channel so I can keep making these. So if you're an affiliate marketer using AI in your content workflow and this was useful, hit subscribe. I'm going to keep sharing the actual tools and processes I'm using, not just the hype stuff. And if you have already tried Pretty Prompt or you have questions about using AI for affiliate content, drop it in the comments. I actually read them and reply. So see you in the next video. Ciao for now.